Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vidya and today I'm back with a haul, and this haul is not about dresses, it's not about books, it's not about anything, but it's about the toys which are apt for your toddlers. So keep watching because I'm going to show you some real good number of toys, and also I'll be linking everything at the bottom in the description box. If you want to buy, you can go and check it out.
Hi, I'm Vidya Shashank, a blogger and mommy of two. Welcome to my channel.
So I have recently invested on a lot of toys and I've brought a lot of toys for him, and today I'm going to show you a part of that, and we'll have different parts coming up so you can see and you can understand how these toys work and how whether they are good or not, whether you want to buy or not. So I have got all these gifts, all these toys for him as a part of his birthday gift. So every day I'm giving him one gift, so it's like 30 days to go I give him one gift, and then 29 days to go another gift, and it goes on. So I have 30 different gifts which I'll be showing in my toy haul video series. So in my today's video, I don't want it to be very big, so I'm going to make it very short. I'm going to show you only 3 to 4 gifts, 3 to 4 toys which are apt for toddlers of the age of 2 to 3, like that. So keep watching. So all the toys have been very carefully selected for him. Everything is some kind of learning toys because I love buying learning toys for him. So I'll be showing you, they all are still in their packets. I have not even opened it. I thought I'll do an unboxing come haul kind of stuff. So let's start with the first one. The first toy over here is this one, and it's a wooden balancing set. Now this wooden balancing set comes in 3 different kinds of categories. You have this fruits, you have this animals, basically it's like an animal and some farm, something like that, and then you have these farm animals. So these are the 3 categories in which you get this kind of toy, but the one which I have bought over here is this one. So this comprises of all different kinds of fruits. So you can see over here we have orange, we have pineapple, we have grapes, we have apple, we have everything over here, and then there's a big huge watermelon at the bottom which have to balance everything out. And if you can see over here in this one, there's a big farmhouse which will be balancing all the animals out, and over here there's a big boat which is going to balance all the animals down here. So let me just quickly open and show you, but before I open, let me tell you these toys are made of wood, and for some reason I prefer wooden toys over plastic toys. It's not like Dhruv don't have any plastic toys, he have, but the wooden toys are preferred more. So this is what the toy is all about. It comes in piece of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So basically what they need to do is they have to place all the toys one on top of other in order to balance it. So this is like a wobbly thing. It's a a semicircle kind of stuff which keeps on wobbling. So they have to just keep the fruits somehow, and they have to balance it. I'm sorry it's wobbling a lot because I'm holding it from down, but see, this is how it goes. So it's a kind of a small challenge which you can give to your child. If you have a small sand clock or something, you can place it over there and you can ask them to finish it before the time goes off, and yeah, see, this is how it looks. So this is an amazing toy. It's a wooden balancing set and I just loved it because it's a kind of challenging thing, plus the child can learn different kinds of fruits and stuffs like that. The quality of these pieces are really good. So if you can see over here, they are pretty thick and they are very chunky, so it's not very tough for the child to balance. It's very easy. It's like medium level kind of thing, and the kid will not, if the toys are really very tough to do, or especially the learning toys, if they are very tough, the child will lose interest very easily. So this one, it's very easy to solve, it's very easy to manage, and the kid is going to love it a lot. So yeah, so this toy gets a lot of love from me because I totally loved it. So let's go to the next toy now. quickly going to the next toy, and this is the next kind of toy, and I think you would have seen this type of toys a lot in the market. It's the easiest form of puzzle you can start up if your baby is really small. So see, when kids slowly grow and when they age, so like 2 years old, you can give big chunky puzzles like this, and when they slowly are able to solve this, you can go to 2-piece puzzle, then 3-piece puzzle, 4-piece puzzle, and that's how it goes. So this is like the most basic form of puzzle which kids of his age can solve. And again, this is made of wood, so the base is also made of wood, and even these pieces are also made of wood. And if you can see, it's a snail, and I have another similar type of puzzle, and that is this one. So it's an elephant over here, and here's a snail. So you will get different kinds of designs, and you can choose accordingly. Almost everything will be having the same number of pieces, like just a 3-piece puzzle. So this red one is just a paint, so it's only 3-piece, which will be easy for the child to solve. But this one, if you see, it's a 4-piece puzzle, so it's like the next level. So similarly, you have 5 pieces, you have 6 pieces, and you have the big chunky ones also, where you have different kind of structures like dogs, bear, and tree, plants, and other stuffs. But this is the most basic one, and they are like cute little chunky toys, and I really loved it. And we'll see how Dhruv will be able to solve it. So when you are giving these puzzles to the kids, as I told you, always try to introduce them in order of the number of pieces it consists of. So as I told you, start with smaller ones. So Dhruv have already solved the 2-piece puzzles. He can easily do it. So this is going to be the next in list, and once he is able to solve this kind of puzzle, I'm going to introduce this one, which is a 4-piece puzzle. So slowly build. Don't expect everything to happen together, and over the period of time, kids will be very they will be pro at solving these kinds of puzzles. So again, these pieces, the finishing and everything is really good, and I am totally in love with this, and this also gets a lot of loves from my side. Now let's quickly move on to the next toy, and the next toy is something related to learning again, and it is this one. So I'm going to show you one over here. So you can see these are the small kind of tough cards. They are not something which the child can break. I think it's made of some kind of wood only, and if you can see over here, they have small grooves over here, and this is like apple. So you have this cut out for A, and they have given these wooden pieces. So I'm just going to open and I'll show you how it fits in. So when I say A for apple, and the child needs to find apple from it, and sorry, not apple, the child needs to find A from it, and when the child finds A from it, all he needs to do is go and place it in the correct place. So I'm just going to drop it over here, and we'll find A and we'll try to fix it. So A comes like this. So you can see these are also wooden pieces. So this is also made of wood. It's chunky, it's very easy to hold, it's colored, so it's little attractive, and it goes over here. So these are like the smallest forms of puzzles, which introduces letters, which introduces the alphabets and stuffs like that to your children. Plus it adds interest, because they will understand how A looks and what is the one which they have to search, and they have to fix in which correct card. So if you see over here, as I told you, they have all the letters given, and similarly they have the card of all the alphabets over here. I'll just randomly pick one and I'll show it to you. So if I'm taking from here, see, this S is for strawberries, and then you need to find S from here, and you have to place it like this. So these are like individual small puzzles which you can use very effectively for your little ones, and they will love it. So I'm too excited to introduce this also to Dhruv. I'm like, let's see. So talking about the quality of this toy also, I really loved it a lot, because I thought these letters are going to be plasticky, but they are not. They are made of wood, and they are made of good quality material. And even when I saw these stuffs, I thought they'll be made of cardboard kind of material, but it's not. It's pretty tough, and the child cannot bend or break this for sure. So this is going to last for a really long time. So these were the toys which I showed you guys today, and I totally loved each and every gift. I couldn't find anything negative out of whatever I've shown today. So in my next video, in part 2, I'm going to show you a few more toys. So keep hooked, stay tuned, and see what are the toy options and what are the learning options which you can buy for your little one. These things are very low price. They are not very costly ones. They are like very medium range, so you can easily invest, and they are good quality, so your child cannot ever break it. So yeah, so until next video, with lots of love, this is Vidya. Bye.